You want to be rich, right? You dream of big houses, fancy cars, traveling the world. But what if I told you there's a dark side to wealth that no one talks about? What if being rich could make you feel lonely, paranoid, even empty? You see rich people smiling on social media. But behind those smiles, there are secrets, things they don't tell you. In this video, we'll reveal the hidden truth about being rich, the real-life problems many rich people face, and why money alone doesn't bring happiness. Let's uncover the truth behind the riches. What people think being rich is like. Let's be real. When we think of rich people, we imagine easy life. No money problems. Big house, big car travel, parties, good food. And yes, money brings comfort. You can buy nice things, take care of your family. But here's the problem, many people only see the good side, not the price that comes with it. Today, we'll talk about the side of wealth they hide, so you're ready when success comes. The pressure that comes with money. When you get rich, everyone starts looking at you differently. Family asks for help, again and again. Friends expect you to pay for everything. People call you proud if you say a no or you start feeling pressure. Real example, John became rich from his small business. Now, every week, someone is calling him for money. Help me pay rent, help me start business, help me go abroad. If he says yes, he's broke. If he says no, they call him selfish. That's the pressure rich people face daily. Fake friends and hidden enemies. When you're rich, it's hard to know who is real. Some people smile at you, but inside, they hate you. Some pretend to care, but only want your money. You start to doubt everyone. Story: a woman, Ada, got rich from real estate. Her friend of 10 years stole from her, lied to her. She felt betrayed and stopped trusting people. Many rich people become lonely. They push people away because they fear being used. Trust becomes hard. The fear of losing it all. When you're poor, you dream of getting money. When you're rich, you worry about losing it. What if my business fails? What if people rob me? What if I get sick? Some rich people can't sleep at night. They check their bank accounts every hour. They fear fraud, tax, thieves. Some can't relax, they work more, stress more. Rich people live with fear of falling back to zero. Health and happiness, the silent cost. Many rich people sacrifice health for wealth. They work long hours, skip sleep, stress daily. Some get rich but have high blood pressure, anxiety, depression. They sit in big houses but feel empty. Story: a rich man in Abuja had 10 cars, but couldn't walk because of health problems caused by stress. He said, "I have money, but I can't enjoy it." Money can't buy health. Money can't buy real peace. Rich kids and family problems. Being rich also affects your family. Kids grow up lazy. They don't understand hard work. Some get spoiled, waste money. Listen to this story. Mr. Donald's children fought over his money after he died. They wasted it all in 2 years. Family fights over money are common. Even brothers, sisters, they fight when money enters. Rich people often worry about their children. Will they manage the money? Will they fight? Will they respect my hard work? Rich people and isolation. Here's the sad truth, many rich people feel alone. They can't talk freely, people might gossip. They can't ask for help, people expect them to be strong. They feel trapped in their riches. Some trust nobody, eat alone, live alone. We think rich people have many friends. But many have no true friend, only people who want favors. They smile in public, but cry in private. The real meaning of wealth. So, is money bad? No. Money is power. Money brings options. But real wealth is more than money. Real wealth is peace of mind, good health, family love, true friends, time freedom. You can have money and joy, but only if you balance your life. Don't just chase riches. Chase purpose, peace, and people. Use money, don't let money use you. Lessons for you. 5 things to remember: build money with purpose, know why you want to be rich. Help people wisely, don't let guilt drain you. Protect your health, rest, eat well, avoid stress. Choose friends carefully, look for real love, not fake praise. Prepare your family, teach your kids to manage wealth. Money is a tool like a knife. Used well, it cooks food. Used wrong, it cuts you. Be wise with wealth. Now you know the truth about being rich, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Don't fear money, but respect it. Let it serve you or not own you. If you chase wealth, do it with open eyes and wise heart. Comment below, what would you do if you became rich today? Like, share, and subscribe. More real-life lessons coming soon.